Okay, this is how this life-proof stuff that we're laying in this room. It's pretty simple. It's 100% waterproof once it's laid, and the way you do it is you got to stagger the pattern, so you go from you go a quarter, or you go a quarter to, that's the wrong side, but you start in one corner of the room and you work your way down, and then as you go, say it goes into another room, you have to notch it around the door jamb, and you continue it in the room as you see, and then around the toilet. And then what you do is you just put baseboard all the way around, so you don't see the gaps on each end. But it goes in pretty simple. It just snaps right into place, and then you take this tool, you just hit it in. You have to step it as you go. So none of the joints where they meet up, they should not be in line with each other. So you just put it in place. Tap the end down and then hit it into place. Boom. Done. And you just keep going. And then when you get around, once you get to the end, you'll probably have to rip a piece